My name is Justin Hicks, and this is my testimonial video. A little bit about me: I am a sophomore here at the University of Maryland in the Science and Global Change Scholars Program. My major is Atmospheric and Oceanic Science, and I am going for a minor in Geographic Information Systems. So for my practicum project, I worked at two different locations, but for one company. I worked for Crew Services LLC, the Center for Research on Energy and Water. The first location I worked at was out of my boss's house in Ellicott City, where I downloaded and modified geospatial data. And with this modified data, I would use a display program called GRADS to find any missing data points. I would then organize this data into folders pertaining to their satellites. And the second location in which I worked was out of Fraser, Colorado in the Rocky Mountains, where my site supervisor and I did some field work. We hiked up to 30 weather stations and maintained each of their sensors, such as net radiation, rain bucket, wind vane, etc. We would download their yearly data from each station, which showed us snow depth and net radiation and soil moisture. And finally, we would take photographs of the ground vegetation and canopy near each station, and we would compare these pictures to those of previous years. I learned a lot from this internship. I learned all about how Linux works and runs and all about its command line interface. I also learned about data file manipulation and how to get a time series of data points to graph instead of just one individual file. Third, I learned about how rigorous field work can be. You're out there for many hours of the day with the sun beating down on you, and it's definitely not as easy as I thought it would be. And finally, I learned I'm very interested in pursuing a career in remote sensing or GIS, so I'm very excited to take some GIS courses in the future.